I'm Candy Sherwin. Thank you very much for coming here to learn the dance Azizam. The music is by Ed Sheeran. The choreographer is actually 3 choreographers, Simon Ward, Amy Glass, and Jean-Pierre. Those are 3 all-stars for sure. This is a fun dance. It's a 32 count improver level. There's 4 walls, but no tags or restarts. But there is a dog. And so Scully is here to keep an eye on me and make sure I do it right. So hopefully I can avoid stepping on his tail. I'm going to turn around so we can get started with the tutorial. All right, right foot's going to step forward. We're going to do a half a pivot. Step on your right foot, follow your left shoulder, and you're facing 6 o'clock. Step 2, you kick your right foot out, kick, ball change, take a side step, and a brush across at a diagonal, and a triple left, right, left. So we have, forward is 1, half turn, 2, kick, 3 and 4, side 5, brush 6, triple 7 and 8. Now when you get here, your body is on a slight diagonal, and that's where it's supposed to be. On your next step, which will be the right foot out, you're going to straighten yourself out to 12 o'clock. I'm going to do that first count of 8 for you, turning my back. Okay? So we have 1, 2, a 3 and 4, 5, 6, a 7 and 8. The next count of 8, showing it to you at this wall, steps to the right, you straighten your body out on 1, hold 2, and 3, touch 4. Push your left foot out on 5 with the hip, right foot hip 6, 2 quarter turns, stepping forward on your left foot, follow your left, and step your right foot to the side. Okay, so those counts, you've tripled over, and you're stepping 1, hold 2, and 3, touch 4, push left 5, push right 6, quarter forward 7, quarter side 8, you're on your right foot. Now remember, the first time you do that, we're actually here, so it would look like this. 1, hold 2, and 3, touch 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we'll put those 2 8s together. Here we go, 6, 7, 8, forward 1 and 2, kick 3 and 4, step 5, brush across, 7 and 8, step 1, hold 2 and 3, touch 4, push 5, push 6, 7, 8. Third count of 8, I'm just going to move forward a little bit because we travel back. You come back to 12 o'clock, so your original wall. Step back on your left foot, sweep your right foot on 2. You're going to step down and bend and bend. Now that's very similar to a pony step. We usually travel ponies, they don't have to, but in a pony your leg actually hitches all the way up. On this one, it just is like a little push in place. So you still have the rise and fall, but you don't pitch, okay? So it looks like this. It goes 1, 2, 3, and 4. Take 2 steps back. 5, but the right foot comes together. 6, and a shuffle forward. 7 and 8. So after you've done this, it goes walk, walk, step together, step. Now there's a little arm movement that happens when we do that little bend. And if you think about it, it looks like a little, kind of like a little Bollywood movement. Your arms are going to come to here, and your hands are going to almost like they're doing light bulbs. Oh, bump, bump. So you're going to go twist, and the time is the same as you go down and down. So it's bump, bump, bump. You want to kind of bump your hips back a little bit on that. And then you take your walk, walk, coaster step. That count of 8 with the arms, steps back on 1, sweep, 2, 3, and 4, walk, 5, walk, 6, shuffle, 7, and 8. 3 8s from the top, we're almost done. 5, 6, 7, half turn goes, 1, 2, kick, 3 and 4, step 5, brush across, 7 and 8. 1, hold 2 and 3, tap 4, push 5, push 6, turn 7 8. Step 1, sweep, bop, 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 walk back, 7 and 8. So you're still at 12 o'clock. We're going to get to our new wall, which is over this way, taking our right and left foot out on a 1/8 of a turn. You're going to go out, out, hold, and then in to finish that rotation, in, hold. Okay? Then right foot goes kick forward, touch the toe back, turn to your right, and push back to your left. So that was just kick, tap, turn, back. Yeah? The counts on that go, and 1, hold 2, and 3, hold 4, kick 5.6, 7, 8, and you immediately go half, turn, kick, ball change, because that's where you start the dance again. Okay? So let's go back to the beginning, and we'll do 2 walls and see what we get. All right, right foot's going to start. 5, 6, 7, 8, turning 1, 2, kick 3 and 4, side out and brush, triple 7 and 8, 1 and hold, 2 and 3, tap 4, hips 5, turn left on 7 and 8, back, sweep, little light bulb, left, right, cha, 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 out, out and hold, in and hold, kick, kick, here we go again, go 1, 2, 3 and 4, step 5, brush, 7 and 8 and 1, 2 and 3, touch 4, push 5, push 6, 7, 8, back 1, sweep, little triple, back and back, forward 7 and 8, out, out, in, and kick and point and forward again, and 1, 2, 3 and 4. And that keeps going. Okay? So that is the dance at 2 walls. And so what we're going to do now is try it with a little bit of music and see how that works. 5, 6, 7, 8, turn, kick it out, step it from the floor to the left. Short, move like a water, in between the dots and let out. I wanna be nowhere but here with you now. I wanna be one in this space. I wanna be tangled and wrapped in your crowd. I wanna be close to your face. Tomorrow can wait. Some time in this place. The sun is away. The magnet on me. I don't care what they say. We can do it our way. And it out just again. Come and play. Azizam, leave me on the floor tonight. Show me how to move like the water. In between the dots and lights. Be mine, Azizam. I wanna get lost in your ocean. I wanna be careless and free. I wanna live in the moment we found. I wanna be all that you see. Tomorrow can wait. Some time in this place till the sun is away. Like a magnet on me. I don't care what they say. We can do it our way. And if love's just a game, come and play. Azizam, leave me on the floor tonight. Show me how to move like the water. In between the dots and lights. Be mine, Azizam. Leave me on the floor tonight. Show me how to move like the water. In between the dots and lights. Be mine, Azizam. Yeah! All right. right, so you saw that little ending that I did there. You're at this side and you're going to do the dun, dun, and instead of staying at this wall, because it's the end, you have bump, 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 and then just turn it on the ending there so it can come back to front. So that is how we do it. I hope that you enjoy the dance. I really would love for you to be a subscriber if you're not. So hit that subscribe button and please leave comments. I love that. Like the video, share the video. All those things are wonderful. I'm going to do a self-promotion. The last one that I had uploaded is a dance called Park that I choreographed. I would love for you guys to take a look at that and maybe try to push it out there amongst some of your instructors. I would really appreciate that. If you're in the Los Angeles area, please look me up, find out where I'm teaching at that point, and I would love to meet you. So Scully and I, thank you for coming and spending a couple minutes with us. And I guess we'll see you on the dance floor. Thanks so much. See you next time.